What's up, everybody? Justin here with BearzapperBBQ. Hope you're having a great day. If you can hear that sizzle, that's right. What do you do with leftover steak? I'm going to show you what we do. We're going to make a banging omelet. Stay tuned. All right, so the first thing we need to do is, well, as the saying goes, you can't make an omelet without cracking a few eggs. And I'm cracking them directly into this strainer. Now, I'm going to grab our whisk. And we're just going to whisk it into the strainer. It's going to strain out, and it's going to make them super, super fluffy. Oh yeah, beautiful. Gonna keep whisking until it's all pushed through. We've got our pan on. Gonna throw a little butter on the bottom. We've got some onion chopped. Gonna chop a little bit of pepper and then cut up our steak. Nice. Gonna add a little bit of milk to this as well. And there we go. Got a little whole milk. You can absolutely add cream as well. Just a little bit more. Sweet. All right, we're gonna give this a nice whisk in here as well. One more, just to incorporate everything. I'm gonna throw the butter in the bottom of the pan. And we're gonna start cooking. All right, so we've got the pan on kind of low, I would say. Throw a little butter in there, a little bit more. And we want to swirl the pan around, get that butter nice and coated on the bottom. Now we're going to take our egg and gently pour it over the butter. All right, so we have some of our onion chopped over here. All right, so we have our onion chopped over here. Grab our pepper. And we'll do a nice red pepper. A little contrast from the egg. All right, so we're gonna slice this up and then chop it up. All right, I'm gonna return over to the pan now. All right, we're back over to the omelet. Look at this. These are the best pans. These Viking pans are legit. All right, we have ourselves some Colby Jack cheese, some cheddar cheese. We're just gonna throw a little cheese on top. Beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna take our onion and our pepper. Sweet. And then we're gonna chop up some of our steak. All right, a little bit more steak. And a little bit more. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now we are taking our little flipper, flip, peel it back, and we're going to flip one more time. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Beautiful. All right. Definitely cracked that omelet a little bit. It's too hot and I grabbed too hard, but that's all right. Let me shut this off. We're gonna plate this bad boy up and ooh, it's a huge omelet. Let's take, and there we go. Beautiful, super fluffy and awesome.